Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a cruise on the Carnival application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your homepage and click on the book a cruise button down below and tap on continue, so you will be directed to a website where you can book a cruise. It might take a few seconds. Scroll down a bit and tap on the sail to option at the top, and then select your destination. Select your departure point in the sail from section, and then select a date. Click on the search cruises button down below, and you will be able to see the available cruises and options from which you can book the most suitable one. So here you can see them. Scroll down and you can see the other options, tap on it and you can see the price and the description and every relevant detail. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.